Hello 6th standard students, welcome back to our channel Vidyarthi. We are discussing the lesson factors and multiples and the worksheet 5, that is the continued division method for HCF, isn't it? That is the third question. Now the subdivision E. Hope you remember the method. So when three numbers are given, first write in the ascending order 1111, then 1212, then 6868. Okay, so 1111, then 1212. 4 digits starting with 1, 1000, 1000. So only one time. So 1, 1, 1, 1. When you subtract, 2 minus 1 is 1. 1 minus 1 is 0. 2 minus 1 is 1. Now 1, 1, 1, 1. This becomes the dividend. 101, and see 3 digits and 3 digits. Here 4 digits are there. So now we have to take 3 digit and 3 digit. आपको मालूम है ना, इधर ज़्यादा डिजिट्स रहेंगे तो कैसे करने का, ऑर्डिनरी डिवीजन वाला मेथड है ना. सो 101, हाउ मच 111, that is 1 za 101. That means 1 minus 1 0, 1 minus 0 1, 1 minus 1 is 0. अभी ये 1 को इधर लेकर आओ, 101 101. ये हमेशा सेकेंड स्टेप में आपको मिलता था ऐसा मेथड, है ना, ऐसा स्टेप, लेकिन इधर ही आपको ऐसे मिला तो डायरेक्टली याद रखो, डायरेक्ट जो डिजिट्स जितना भी यूज नहीं होगा तो यू हैव टू टेक दिस मेथड. ठीक है, 2 स्टेप ऐसे आएगा. अभी ये 101 को ले लो और नेक्स्ट कौन सा है, 6868. अभी भी देखो 101 686. So you have to do 2 steps here. So first 6 za, 6 1s are 6, 6 zeros are 0, 6 1s are 6. 6 minus 6 0. Now it is 8, and now bring this 8 down. Now 101, how much are 8s are 8 1s are 8, 0, 8 1s are 8. Hope you understood. If it is a big number, so we have to divide twice. 2 steps are there, like an ordinary division. So this is the HCF. Answer HCF is equal to 101. सबको समझ में आया होगा. 1111, 1212, तो ये एक ही बार जाएगा, तो सब्ट्रैक्ट करेंगे तो हमें 101 मिला. तो ये 1111 अभी डिविडेंड बना, तो 101 और फर्स्ट 3 डिजिट्स में ही वो डिवाइड होता है. तो 1 जा 101, जब भी सब्ट्रैक्ट करोगे तो 10 मिला, और ये 1 को नीचे लेकर आओ और एक बार 1 आएगा और 101. ठीक है, तो जो आंसर मिला इधर 101 उसको उधर लेकर जाओ, फिर बड़ा नंबर का उसके साथ HCF फाइंड आउट करो, तभी इधर भी देखो 101 686, तो फर्स्ट टाइम डिवाइड करो और सेकेंड टाइम, जो ऑर्डिनरी डिविजन मेथड. Now coming to the next, it is 1794 less than 2346 less than 4761. So with big numbers you are having some difficulties, but if you practice it will be easy. Okay, so 1794 2346. So this one will be only one time, क्योंकि 17 ये 23, ठीक है, 2 सा नहीं होगा. So 1794. 6 minus 4 2. 4 means 14 minus 9 is 5. अभी इधर 2 बचा है. 12 minus 7 is again 5. 1 minus 1 is 0. Now take 1794 as a dividend. 5 how much are 17? 5 3s are. So 5 5 2 into 3. 3 2s are 6, 3 5s are 15, 3 5s are 15, 16. So you can put 3. 3 1 6 5 6. 4 14 minus 6, 4 5 6 8. Now here it is 8 minus 5 3. Here it is 7 minus 6 1. Now this 552, take it inside. 1 how much are? 5s are, but it will be bigger. Check. 5 4 8s are 40. 5 3s are 15, 19. 5 1s are 5. It is 6. So 138 into 4. 4 8s are 32. 4 3s are 12. 13 14 15. 5 1s are 4 1s are 4 5. Correct. It is 4s are 5 5 2. Hope you are understanding. Now 132. 132 को और 4761. 4761. अभी 3 डिजिट, ये 3 डिजिट है ना, 2 times division. So 1 how much za? 4 za. But 4 za it will be big, but still we check. 4 2s are 8, 4 3s are 12, 4 1s are 4 5. Now 132 into 3. 3 2s are 6, 3 3s are 9, 3 1s are 3. So you can put, sorry, it is 138. I'm sorry. 138. 4s are 4 8s are 32. 4 3s are 12, 13 14 7. 4 3s are 12, 13 14 15. 1 4 1s are 4 5. Bigger. 138 into 3. 3 8s are 24. 3 3s are 9, 10 11. 3 1s are 3 4. So it will be 3 times. So better take care while writing the numbers. So it will be 4 1 4. ठीक है. अभी 6 minus 4 is 2. 7 minus 1 is it is 6. 4 minus 4 is 0. Now bring this one down. अभी 638 and सॉरी 138 एंड 621, 6 से नहीं होगा, सो 5 से चेक करो। 5 8 ज़ा 40, 5 3 ज़ा 15, 16 17 18 19, 5 1 ज़ा 5 1 6, बड़ा हुआ तो हमें 4 लेने का है। ठीक है, 138 4 सा ऑलरेडी दिए, चेक किए हैं, सो 5 5 2। ठीक है, नाउ 11 1 minus 2 नॉट पॉसिबल, 11 minus 2 इज 9। अभी इधर 1 है, that is 11 minus 5, 1 2 3 4 5 6, 5 minus 5 0. Now remainder you got, so you have to take again 138. Now 69 into 6, how much za? 2 za 12, 2 9s are 18, 2 6 are 12, 13. Yes. So this is the HCF. So answer HCF is equal to 69. Is it clear? Hope everyone understood. So whenever big numbers are there, 2 times you have to divide. Okay, so that was the question number 3rd, E and F. Now coming to the next subdivision, that is G. Now it is small number. Okay, G 70 less than 105 less than 175. You will be having problem with only the bigger numbers, isn't it? 70 and 105. 70 and 105 will be only one time, that is 70. याद रखो कैसे लिखने का है, 3 digit 2 digit, don't make silly mistakes. 5 minus 0 5. Now 0 minus 7, that means 10 minus 7 is 3. Now 70 will be the dividend, it goes inside, 35 2s are 70. Now you got this 35, take 35 and the next number 175. 35 how much za? 3 how much za? 17. 3 5s are, check. 5 5s are 25, 5 3s are 15, 16, 17. So directly 5s are. So which is the HCF? 35. With smaller numbers it is comparatively easy. With bigger numbers little bit difficulty is there, but if you practice, and the method you should remember, if it is a bigger number 2 times you have to divide, isn't it? Now coming to the question number H. It is a 270 less than 315 less than 450. So 270 then 315. 2 and 3 means only one time. 270 as it is. Subtract 5 minus 0 5. Now 1 minus 7 means 11 minus 7. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. So you got 4. 2 minus 2 0, 270. 45, how much? 4, how much? 27. 4 6 are 24. 4 7 are 28. So 6 are, try karo. 6 5 are 30. 6 4 are 24. 25 26 27. So directly 6. सबको समझ में आ रहा होगा, है ना? तो अभी इधर 45 मिला तो 45 को ले लो और दूसरा नंबर है 450. सो 45, हाउ मच? 45 1s और 0. आप लोगों को ऑलरेडी मालूम है ना? 45 10s 450. So 45 is the HCF. So answer HCF is equal to 45. Hope all students understood this continued division method for HCF. Is it okay? Bye. Thank you for watching the video.